It is my desire. Can I get close? My spirit does rent. My heart is guilty of greed, and my inside has now become as catacombs, a dry, desolate, and empty place, filled with the sepulchres of my prayers and supplications. Can I get closer? It is as though my stomach has been deprived of months of food, my body now stricken and afflicted, as my flesh, like a snake, tightly wraps itself around my bones, stifling the very airways of my now deflated organs and exposing my skeleton. It is my desire to be with you and always have you with me, having you behind me always, satisfying me, hearing me, and being my answer, filling, using, and listening to my every cry, as you hush me, resting me in your love and in your arms. Can I get close? Yes, I'm Roman, and that was poem number 73. It is something I wrote during my initial stages of becoming a Christian, and it holds great significance to me. I will not necessarily interpret it, because I suppose that upon each person who will receive this poem, you will take your own understanding from it. But one thing I can say is that it expresses my desire to get closer to God and some of the issues that I was battling with at the time. And I suppose there are some aspects of this which can be applied to my life today, but nonetheless, I will leave it there. I am open to interpretations, and I hope that this could have been, or I hope that this was impactful. I hope that it was useful to you guys, and I'll see you next time. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Ciao, ciao.